Industrial metal finish painting on exterior accent elements demands industrial coatings and precise surface prep to ensure durability and appearance. Start by selecting a coating system rated for exterior metal, such as an epoxy primer, followed by an ultraviolet stable polyurethane topcoat, or a full epoxy polyurethane system where the epoxy provides corrosion resistance and the polyurethane provides flexibility and UV resistance. Clean the metal to a near white or commercial blast profile when possible, or use power tool cleaning with a rotary wire brush or abrasive wheel to remove all rust, mill scale, and loose paint, then degrease with a solvent compatible with your primers. For bare ferrous metals, consider a zinc-rich or epoxy primer to provide galvanic protection and improve adhesion. And for aluminum, use an acid etch or a wash primer specifically formulated for non-ferrous substrates. Apply coatings at manufacturer recommended film builds and dry times, using crosscoat techniques to avoid holidays and pinholes, and keep ambient and surface temperatures within the specified range for curing to avoid blush or poor film formation. Seal panel joints and fastener interfaces with a flexible, paintable polyurethane caulk to accommodate thermal movement without cracking the finish. Always test a small section for adhesion and appearance. Document substrate condition and coating lot numbers, and plan maintenance cycles based on exposure. A high sun and coastal environment will shorten the recoating interval compared with sheltered locations. Common mistakes include inadequate surface preparation, which leads to premature failure. The cure is to remove corrosion and contamination to the recommended cleanliness standard and verify with a surface profile gauge or reference standards. Another frequent problem is using non-UV stable topcoats over epoxy primers, causing chalking and discoloration. Avoid that by specifying an ultraviolet, stable polyurethane or fluoropolymer topcoat and following the manufacturer recoat windows. A third issue is neglecting movement joints and fastener areas, which causes cracking or underfilm corrosion. Resolve this by applying flexible caulk to joints, assuring proper edge sealing, and using compatible primers around fasteners. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors experienced in specialty exterior metal coatings and provides a place where we can share project details and get feedback. Our site also helps contractors find work and participate in a discussion community where we and other members exchange techniques, product experiences, and local recommendations.